Yo, what's up? I don't know why it's so orange in here, but it is. We're going to need to deal with it. It looks normal in this world. Anyways, shout out to Phil, Heather, Keely, and Owen. Probably the only 4 people that are actually going to watch this, but hey. Here's the new little jangle that I wrote earlier today, and let's just play it as is. Sections are obviously going to change, and it's going to be different by tomorrow, so let's just play it as is today. First off, I wanted to show this little technique. Makes like a little echo effect. So maybe the start of my song will have that. I don't know. Anyways, it's more about things like that. Things like that. There's like 4 little sections in there. They're all kind of fun. They can all be expanded upon or minimalized, right? Isn't that fun? The infinite possibilities of music. Thanks for watching.